Hey everyone, I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on a couple items that I have, just to do a comparison so y'all can see which one in y'all's work better than the other. I'll first show you what I have, what I'm about to use. I received this about a week ago. This is from Vanity Planet. I don't know the name of this actual facial brush, but I will put that in the description, the name of it. With this, it comes with the 3 brush heads. I want to say one is for sensitive, the other one is for deep clean or something like that. I might be wrong, I'm not for sure. And this one is a silicone brush. We're about to use this on my husband's face. I'm going to use him as my little model for today. And I'm going to do one side with the Vanity brush, the other side with the PMD facial brush. Oops, sorry. Alright, well let's get started with this one. First I am going to wet his face, but y'all know how to wash the face. Like I said, I want to do this real quick. I'm going to do this side with the Vanity Planet facial brush. And I'm using the silicone head. One thing I did like about this when I pulled it out of the box is the fact that it did have a silicone head to it, and the price was really reasonable. It was pretty cheap, but it feels good quality. It don't feel cheap when I'm holding it or anything. Alright, so let's try it. Alright, this is the low setting. So how it feel to you?
Good.
Does it feel like it's cleaning good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Let me go to the other one now. And again, this is the high settings, if you can hear it. Okay. Alright. Go to the next one. I'm going to leave this all suzzed up on this side. We're going to do the PMD on this side. This is the first setting. Okay, between the two, which one do you like the most?
I like the other one.
Okay, why do you like the other one for?
This one's more harder on your face.
Does it feel like it's cleaning as good as the other one?
No.
It just feel like it's a lot of
Just
vibrating.
yeah.
This because this don't circulate; it just vibrates. That's all it's doing.
It feels like
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let me do that one a little bit faster. This is the faster speed. You still don't like it?
No.
Okay. Let me turn it off. So out of the two, this one is the winner. And this one costs more. But this one felt better on the face and it felt like it cleaned better. And like I said, this one's a lot cheaper. Don't quote me, but I want to say that I received this one because they had a discount code. It was like for 20 something or $30 for this one. And this one right here, you know, it's over $100 for this one. So again, this one is the winner. All right, I'm gonna rinse his face off, and I'm gonna have another comparison of two items. And again, this is by PMD with the other one, and it's gonna be by Vanity Planet, and they're both the Microdermabrasions device. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Now this one's is regarding the microdermabrasion, and I'm gonna do two compares with the PMD and the Vanity Planet microdermabrasion. Let me tell you the difference between the two. Is this one, of course, you see you have a cord to it. Also, let me put the other one down. They come with little tips. I don't know what you want to call them, little attachments like this. You can get different for sensitive, very sensitive, normal. It's a couple others that they have. And then, of course, you have your little filter up in there. You just put the top back on. And again, this has a cord, so you have to be near an outlet for this one. The other one, I'll put this one down, is rechargeable. It has a base to it. Only thing you have to switch out with here is they have tips that you can buy. And also, they both come with a tip that you can use all over the body and around the nose and things of that nature. And again, this one has a little filter up in it. And also the difference with this one is when you cut it on, this one has a diagram of a face and it tells you where to go. So it walks you through it. So I do like this one a lot. And the fact that I'm not tied down to being near an outlet with this one. And again, I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the facial brush. I'm going to do one side with one and the other one with the other device. All right, first I'm going to start with the Vanity Planet one. And I'm going to do it on this side too. And if you see, hopefully y'all can see it. Maybe you might not be able to. Might be a little too bright. Let's see if I can go back. Well, I don't know. I might not be able to see it. Well, it's not wanting to show up, and I'm sorry. But it has a face, and it tells you which direction, again, to go. So right now it's telling me to start in this area. So I'm going to start here. So I'm going to hit, it's like a play button, and it counts down for me. So again, we're going to start here. And this is the lightest suction. This has 3 suction strength. You have to get this real good. How did that feel to you?
Good.
Does it feel like it's doing something?
Mm-hmm.
But it's not hurting?
Nope.
And again, this is the lightest suction one right here. Okay. Then you can go to the next spot. Stop. Go to the next one. Now it's telling me the nose. I have to make sure I let this skip it because this one's really for the whole face. And you know you're not supposed to go over same spots too many times. Okay, I'm going to stop it. We're going to go to the next spot, which is down here now. You know what? I didn't get to this part right here. We'll stop it and go to the next spot, which is the forehead. Oops. That was my fault on that one. But I'm sorry. Here we go. I accidentally hit the stop button, so it cut it off. And again, I'm pressing lightly. So in your eyes, does this feel like it's doing something at all?
Yeah, I feel it cleaning.
Okay. So that's it for that one. Well, I'm sorry. Now it's telling me to go here. And I think it's one other spot that I'm supposed to do underneath the neck. But anyway, you got the idea. So we're going to do the other one now. I'm going to cut this one off. And I'm about to plug this up real quick. So give me a second. And again, this is the PMD. Let's hope this reach far enough. Okay, I'm going to put this on the lightest one. I get this thing to run across his face good. What you think about this one?
It just sucks harder.
It does suck harder. Well, the other one I did put on one, but this is actually on one too. So, see, the suction is harder on this one. Kind of hard to get around his cheek. His little chin area. Okay. So between the two, which one do you think?
I like the other one.
You like the other one?
Yeah, that sucks harder.
Huh?
That one sucks too hard.
And it kind of hurts your face a little bit?
I like that.
Okay, but do you feel like, you do feel like this one did something still?
Yeah, that might.
Well, like I said, this one was on one, so I could have put the suction a little harder. This was on the first one, the most gentle one. You feel like this one should have had more? I'm sorry if I'm out of view. This one should have more options of maybe of less suction.
Yeah.
Okay, so my husband, he likes this one. He said the suction's not as hard as this one. I don't know. That could be good and bad. You know, some people might.
It feels like it's cleaning more.
With this one?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, hey, that, I don't know. You want me to see how it feels if I put this on a... Let me see here. Okay. Let me try. You know what? How about, you want to do try level 3? See how that feels? Yeah, let me do your arms since I already did your face. I don't want to do... Let's do your neck. Your neck real quick. How do it feel now?
It was good.
Does it feel like it's suction harder?
Yeah. That one's more like a vacuum type suction. This one's
like
more
it might be too hard for the skin.
Yeah. This one's more of a
gentle, but it feels like it's still cleaning. Okay, well. So, would you recommend? So, which one would you like the most?
I think the Planet products are better.
Really? Okay. Well, all right. Once again, this one won out of the PMD. All right. So I'll be back. Oh well, I'll be back on another day to do. Oh, I can't even think of the other one. It's the device that looks like little spatulas. I can't think of the names of them right now. But I'm going to do a video on that one since I just did these two. I don't want to do too much on my husband's face. I don't want to irritate it real bad because he has sensitive skin. And also, I'm going to go back to the actual facial cleansers. The one from Vanity Planet, that one takes batteries, 2 AA's. And hold on, let me grab it real quick. Okay. This one. Comes in a case. This takes 2 AA batteries for this one. The PMD is rechargeable. They both are waterproof. So, you know, you choose if you want to have one that has batteries. I don't feel like that's, you know, that don't really make me feel any kind of way of having batteries for it. I know some people might not like that, but to me, I don't mind. I don't mind it at all. So, you know, it's your choice. But like I said, this side is the Vanity Planet. Other side is PMD on this side. Vanity Planet, PMD. I don't know if I'm going to get a little closer. Let me see. Get a little closer. Oops. Oh, can you come close to the light? Come close to the light. Oops. That might be in the way a little bit. Okay. Vanity Planet, PMD. I hope this helped anybody who are looking to figure out which one they want to go with. But like I said, Vanity Planet's prices are awesome. You know, they're a good price. Can't go wrong with it. And this right here, this video is not sponsored. So Vanity Planet did not send this to us. This was purchased with our own money. So again, this is our choice. We chose Vanity Planet out of the other ones. Thank y'all so much for taking your time to watch our video. You can wave bye. Bye. Take care.